everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today I'm going to be stuffing my cash envelopes and sinking funds for the week of January the 22nd. As usual, I've gone to the bank, I pulled out all of my cash, I have my cash envelopes here, my sinking funds. We're going to be putting some money into my home savings. What I have here in this little Tupperware is everything that was left over from the last week. And so I'm really excited. I haven't counted this yet. I don't even know how much is in there. So I'm really excited to get started this morning. So let's go ahead and count this so you guys know how much I'm stuffing this week. Here's 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, and 5. All right, lots of money this week for stuffing. Let's start with groceries. So this envelope is for anything that I could get at Walmart. So that includes food, household supplies. There's also a place to get your hair cut in Walmart. If I needed a quick trim, I could do that. Anything that I could purchase within those walls, this is the envelope for it. So this week I was short money-wise because I set aside half of the electric bill because it was so high last month. And so for this week, I budgeted $40 for groceries. And I've already done my meal plan for the week, and I don't need much. And so this is more than enough for me. My daughter, Carol Ann, is in PA school. She is out of the area right now on a clinical rotation. So this just has to cover one person for 1 week, which is more than enough because I've got a lot on hand. Next, I've got gas for my car. I don't have any money in there, but I am going to be adding 10 this week. And so that will be enough. I don't really go a lot of places, and so 10 a week seems to be working pretty well for me. Then we have my daughter, Carol Ann. Now, I don't have any money in here for her, and I don't have any cash for her this week because while she's away, I just cash app her money as soon as I get paid. I send her the $160, which is $80 per week, and that gets her groceries and gas for 2 weeks' time. So that is not going to get stuffed. And then we have my spending envelope. It doesn't have anything in here, but I am going to add 100. I probably need to do a separate envelope for the cleaning ladies, but I've just been using the spending because it seems like kind of a frivolous expense, not a necessity per se. And so spending just kind of seemed appropriate, but I don't really want to take the time to make another envelope. So I just stick it in spending, but that's for the cleaning ladies. They will be here tomorrow, which is Wednesday. And then I've got lawn care, and I kind of got off on lawn care, and so I've got 20, 40, 60, 80 in here right now, and the guy hasn't come yet, which he was coming like the day that I got paid, and I would have to scramble around to get money together. And so he didn't come this last week, which is fine to have a little bit of extra. So I'm going to go ahead and stuff 75. So 20, 40, 60, 75 for him. And that way, if he comes like a day early, I'll have a little bit of a buffer in here, because last time I had to scramble around and get out the money from my house savings and pull money out of here and then pay myself back, which I do not like to do. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 5. And so that's going to stay in lawn care. And yes, I did pay myself back in my envelopes. So that is lawn care. And so these are all of my cash envelopes. So these are the ones that I use frequently. Money is always being spent out of these envelopes, and so these are my cash expenses every week. Then I have my sinking funds, and the first is fur babies, and this is for any vet visits that they might have. As of the last stuffing, I had $60, and I am going to be adding 20 to this today. And today is actually the 23rd. I cannot even read I guess I could look at my watch. No, it's the 24th. I'm a little late doing this. I was trying to wait out my YouTube income, but it came late yesterday, and I almost thought about doing this, putting this off a little bit, but I realized I didn't have a video for today, and so I decided to film this morning. So I'll do another video tomorrow, stuffing my YouTube income. So now I should have 80, 20, 40, 60, 80 for fur babies. And again, this is for vet visits that they might have. Next up, I have gifts. This is for Mother's Day, Father's Day, and birthdays. So I had $40 as of the last stuffing, and I'm adding 20 today, so that'll give me 60. My grandbaby has a birthday next month, and so I think I allocated $50 for grandbaby's birthdays. 20, 40, 60. But I have some products to review that are geared more towards kiddos, and I'll probably review those and then give them to her for her birthday. So you'll have to look for that video coming soon. Then I have car maintenance. I have a 2014 Kia Soul. I can never remember the year. And this is for any car maintenance that I have, tires, oil changes, that kind of good stuff. I'm going to be adding 20 to this today, and that should give me 80. It looks like it says 24, but that's the 14th. So 24 plus 20 should be 80. So 20, 40, 60, 80. And I'm about 1,000 miles from needing an oil change and tire rotation. So I need to make sure I have enough money in this envelope when it comes time. All right, decorations and stickers. This has $20 in it. I'm not adding anything. I allocated $10 per month for decorations, $10 a month for stickers. The money does not roll over, so at the 1st of February, I'm not going to be adding another 20 to this. I'm just going to let this 20 hang out. And, if I need to get something, it's there. But hopefully same 20 bucks will be in here all year. Last is my car insurance. As of the last stuffing, I had $345. And I am going to be adding 20 to this today, so that should be $365. And my car insurance is due, I think, in March. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, and 5. Okay, so now let's do the fun stuff, which is the savings challenges. So my friends came to visit this last week, and my friends didn't really let me spend any money. I was able to buy, I think I spent 20 bucks at Sonic, and I'm sorry if you guys can hear cats crying. the kittens are getting fixed today and they can't have any food or water, and they're not happy about it. So anyway, I gave myself $200 and I only ended up spending 120 of it. So I did have quite a bit left over. And then my friend, Vicky, kept giving me all of her change. So we have a lot of change now for the penny challenge. So let's see how much we have left over for house savings. So 20, 40, 60, 80. So $80 for house savings for week 5, which is awesome. And I feel like I've been making a lot of progress on this challenge. Somebody said, well, why don't you just not count it, and that way it'll be a surprise at the end. But I think it motivates me more to see the total. So I'm gonna keep, I want to keep track of it. So now I have $430 for house savings. So this is for week 5, and I'm going to tuck that into my bag over here. And then let's do the penny challenge. I want to mark off a lot of these small ones. So let's grab this and let me sort this out a little bit. Oh, that's going to be really annoying. To have to scrape that money off. Yeah, let's not do that, Lisa. Okay, let's see. I'm going to do these small amounts. So here is 1 cent. So we're going to mark that guy off. And then we'll do the 2. And then here's 3. Here's a 5. Here's 6. Those cats are so unhappy. Here is 4 cents. And then here's 7. See if I have enough pennies for 8. I do not, and that's okay. So let's see here. Here's 25. And then here's 75. Let's see, here's 12. And then 20. I feel like I'm making some progress. I know it's not a lot of money, but it sure does add up. So here's 25 and 35. No, that's not right. That was 30. Yeah, that's fine. 25, 30, 35. That'll work. And then 10 cents here. So yeah, I'm really liking the penny challenge. I don't like to spend my change anyway. And so this just gives me a goal to work towards. And I like being able to mark off, you know, challenges. It just makes me feel like I'm accomplishing something. So anyway, that is everything from me. Again, these were my cash envelopes and sinking funds savings challenges for the week of January the 22nd. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.